How to apply for credit card on Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can apply for credit card on Bank of America. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, on your PC, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Bank of America. Once you search for it, from your search results, again click on the first link, that is www.bankofamerica.com. That's gonna land you to their official website. After that, head towards to this menu bar at the top and here click on credit cards. Now go to shop all credit cards. Scroll down a bit and on this page you will be able to find different types of credit cards that you can apply for. Here make sure to review each and every card and view all of their details and then select your preferred type of credit card. Once you have made your mind, tap or click on apply now. Here again scroll down a bit and here you will see a form. Here you have to enter all your credentials. So in the first step you have to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name and all of your personal details including your address, your city, state and your phone number. And then again enter your email address as well. Click on continue. And after that you'll be taken into next step. So there also make sure to follow on-screen instruction carefully, provide all the required details and then click on apply or save. You also have to log in into your account, and once you complete all of these steps carefully, you will be able to apply for the credit card in Bank of America. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.